I thought, well, actually, Julia thought it would be fun to do this. Hi, I'm Age Graceful. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be telling you about the Wakanda Panning Project 2023. You're probably wondering about this t-shirt. The t-shirts were developed by V, who has her own t-shirt company. If you're interested in a t-shirt saying anything, then contact V on her Instagram, or you can look in my description box. I'll also leave a link there to her t-shirt business. I want to start at the beginning. In early January, Julia approached both V from Simply You Makeup and myself, and Julie is from the Accessorize Your Life channel, and she asked the both of us, would we be willing to participate in the Wakanda Panning Project? And I thought about it, and she gave us the details. She gave us all the information that we needed and asked us to decide. And I told her, of course. I've been rolling and rocking with Julia for the past couple of years. I just love her charisma, her charm, her intelligence. And she had me hooked when we did the videos Copper Beaches. So the Wakanda Panning Project was developed by Julia as well. And we both agreed to do it, as well as Manuela from the Makeup Therapy channel. She also will be joining us, so it'll be us four for this evening. However, if you're interested, after you see my video and of course watch all the other ladies' videos, by all means either contact Julia from the Accessorize Your Life channel, V from the Simply You Makeup channel, or myself from the Age Graceful channel, and we'll get you started. Let me roll back a little bit and reintroduce you guys to what it is we'll be doing. Julia took 5 quotes from the movie Wakanda Forever. 5 very prominent quotes that I'm sure if you watched the movie, you probably would remember the quotes. And she paired those quotes with prompts. And those prompts are what we're going to use when we talk about the products that we selected. So we have 5 quotes, 5 prompts, and 5 products that we'll be using. Julia decided that she wanted to do this panning project because she, like everyone else, has so many products, both makeup and skincare, that she decided, well, listen, maybe I need to cut back a little bit, and by doing a panning project, that is a way that you can do it. You know, use what you already have. And if you guys remember, in 2022, I didn't purchase any makeup at all. The only makeup products I purchased were 2 eyebrow pencils because I ran out. And then in the month of December, I ordered a Juvia's mystery box, which I will not be doing again because I received products that I already had, so I gifted the palette to my granddaughter. But anyway, I've also decided for 2023 that I will not be purchasing any makeup products. I did make one purchase already, and you'll see some videos that I will create going forward with the products that I purchased. I don't want to get ahead of myself. I want to stay on Wakanda. So what you'll be seeing tonight is the 5 products I selected. So since we want to use what we already have, what we're doing is we're measuring the usage of those products. We began on January the 5th to measure the products. And this has run about maybe 3.5 weeks before we're coming to give you our first update. We're going to do our updates the very last Thursday of every month. So going forward, we'll have a full month in between the time that we give you our usage details. I hope this is making sense. But for each and every product, there is a prompt and a quote that we'll be using. Once I get started, I think that you'll get the hang of it. And again, if you are excited or you want to join us in using up some of the products that you already have, then simply let us know and we'll get you right on in there to join us. So at this point, I think that I've said everything that I need to tell you to kind of catch you up. I'm just thinking, one other thing. Every woman will have her own method of measuring whatever it is that she's using. So all of our methods will not be the same in terms of measurement. Another thing, I'm going to stick with 5 products, and we're doing this for 1 entire year. So I don't want to get ahead of myself. So as one product runs out, I'll replace it with another product. Going forward, in about 6 months, we'll add some additional quotes so that it doesn't get monotonous or boring. We kind of, we want to keep you guys interested. And if you have any ideas on quotes, then let us know, because I haven't seen the movie. I believe that Julia has. I'm not sure about V. But if you have a quote in mind, certainly let me know, and I can add it to the list of quotes that I've come up with that we possibly might use in 6 months. I believe that's it. So now I'm going to show you some pictures of my products, and at that point I'll be doing a voiceover. And yeah, you'll see my usage details for the past 3.5 weeks. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Quote number 1, I found your brother in the breeze. Prompt number 1, choose a product that you can use up in a breeze. So guys, I chose the Whipped Cleansing Cream by Skin & Co. This product is a gentle cleanser and makeup remover that is packed with antioxidants. It also contains soothing botanical extracts to renew dry and dull skin. I used this product a total of 9 times. I used it on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays for these 3.5 weeks. The markings that you see here on my tube are weekly markings, and they demonstrate how much product was used during that time period. So what you are seeing here is January 5th, 12th, 19th, and 23rd. This product is infused with black truffle extract. However, each time I used it, I got a refreshing scent of coconut. Quote number 2, if I sit and think about my brother for too long, it won't be these clothes I burn. Prompt number 2, what product would you burn or regret buying? For this one, guys, I've chosen the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Powder Foundation. I'm satisfied with the formula and the performance. However, the shade is off. It's a little red. This is shade number 325, which is copper. I used this product a total of 6 times for church events, and outings, and 1 Curve collab. On the left side is the beginning. There's a dark spot at the bottom where my brush touched oil on my face and it got on my foundation. On the right side, you can see that the oil has disappeared by usage. Ladies, always remember to change brushes if you have to re-dip into your powder foundation. By the dark spot going away, this is my only way of measurement for this powder foundation. Quote number 3, I have more soldiers than this land has blades of grass. Prompt number 3, choose an item you have the most of. For this one, I've selected a 60 count jar of the Elemis Resurfacing Facial Pads. These pads are fortified with lactic acid and tri-enzyme technology. The exfoliating pads effectively diminish dead, dull skin to promote a smoother, more even complexion. I personally prefer these pads over any type of gritty product. I use the resurfacing pads on 9 occasions on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. I would also like to add on the days that I did not use any of these products, I used other products in place of them. Quote number 4, brilliance at a young age is not always accepted by elders. Prompt number 4, choose a product that you think is brilliant. For this one, I chose the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. I think it's a marvelous and brilliant idea to combine a liner with a lash adhesive. To use, you just line your eyes in the normal manner and then apply your strip lash. You do not have to wait for it to become tacky. It is instantly tacky and is foolproof. So for those who have a problem with applying strip lashes, I advise you to try this glue. Trust me, you'll have an instant success. The glue dries down quickly, so do not apply in front of any heater or fan. This lash adhesive comes in black and clear. I use this product 6 times, and the only way that I can measure it is to let you guys know that the tube is empty. Quote number 5, have I not given everything? Prompt number 5, this is the most expensive product in your collection or one close to your heart. For my 5th and final product, I've chosen the 111 Skin Day Cream and Moisturizer. I didn't outright purchase this skincare cream. It came to me in an Allure Beauty box. This is my prized moisturizer at a cost of $280 for this size jar. I used this product a total of 9 times, also on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. I attempted to measure how much product was inside of the jar using an engineer's ruler. It reads 1/2 of an inch, however, I found it easier to measure by using the fingerprints that I see where the product was removed. 111 Skin contains hyaluronic acid and multi-complex vitamins. These ingredients help to moisturize and tighten the skin. So, we're all done seeing my product usage for the past 3.5 weeks. What do you guys think? Do you think this is something that you might want to join us in? Well, the invitation is always open. I'm not sure about the other ladies. Their products may be more makeup based. My products, 3 out of the 5 were from the Allure Beauty box. I decided to be a little bit more heavy weighted on the skincare products because I get such great skincare, and if I don't use it, it's going to expire. So I really want to include as much skincare in my 5 products each month as possible. Well, I certainly hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you again in 1 month from today at the end of February for updated usage details going forward. I'm going to see how much of a dent I can put in my products, but again, only using them 3 days a week, and then my makeup products mostly on Sundays when I go to church. Unless I have something going on during the week, I really don't get a chance to use my makeup as much, unless it is for a video. So again, I appreciate you spending some time with me this evening, or whatever the time of the day that you watch this video. Also, make sure that you go over to the other ladies' channels to see their products and their usage details. I'll be leaving their channel links below in my description box. You guys take care, and I'll see you again real soon.